The second time polls no kyerɛ Ken Ohene Japan edasu lead out of 57 calls onya 24 within 30 minutes. Imagine if you be in 1 hour and one can say betimi akyerɛw. But still the last month no Ken Ohene Japan any lead here and then so there Ken Ohene Japan last month na educhum etreli kakra. But they say educhum ekɔ n'anim. And we Bawumia supporter I was so my yam show because they say educhum pushi n'anim because enedie Bawumia nya 15 educhum nya 14 ebi wo kra metwitwa mu nti nka mantwitwa mienu miensa bi mu kra na ka bia nka educhum ebetimi. But I wanted to be very professional to avoid biases. Right now as we speak MPP we can say based on this, and then you can choose to do your own thing. Maybe I'm a catcher. So we are into right now that's so doubt here a wawasem. So right now saying FM for your post na what doubt say enye papa e wawasem because they say MPP for no man I'm sure say MPP for so man cause woman say FM for your move any agro. So Ken Ohene Japan right now a lead based on the votes, Yama MPP serial callers and fre, Yama NDC for and fre, Yama floating voters near MPP for 9 and 2 year. Can only Japan LED by many percentage Bawumia and a Tosso a Duchum third, but a marginal Dr. Brian a champion in ya 3 and Patrick Yabua Mansu in ya 1. Extra say, Canada Ohene Japan, Patrick Yabuama, Kwabren Japan. The yenyi Ken Ohene Japan di enim film. It means that say o calculate here. Patrick Yabuama agye Bawumia vote ni bi. Educhum nso abegye Bawumia vote ni bi. Brian Champon abegye Bawumia vote ni bi. Nti say o ka Patrick Yabuama de ene Educhum de boma. Na o de beka Brian na 18. Na say 18 votes. 18 votes ne kyerɛ sɛ me de Patrick ni Educhum ne Brian de na abeka bom. Enti yemfa 18 ka 15 ho ebenya sei. 18 plus 15 ebeze. 33. It means that sanka eye Bawumia ne Ken Ohene Japan kwa na ekwa. Ebia ka Educhum yemfa say Educhum support Bawumia, Brian support Bawumia, Patrick support Bawumia. Then it is likely say ankasa votes ni nyina no ebia ebekwa akoka Bawumia ho. Inti nanka ebia Bawumia out of this one Bawumia benya be 33 na Kenenya 24. But the danger is say one na omo support Dr. Bawumia no ati omo ho Dr. Educhum, Brian, Patrick omo nso yeyi bi film. Inti oye Bawumia supporter you should be worried.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5
Why